Public health officials in St. James say they will be conducting operations to ensure hotels are not in breach of COVID-19 protocols over the Christmas and New Year period. The response comes amidst reports that many hotels have been booked out for the holidays, with the likelihood of multiple parties being staged on the premises. The details in this report.
We have a total of 30 hotels that are operating now. 4 hotels have reopened between the month of October and early December this year. We have been made aware that all of these hotels are fully booked for the Christmas to the New Year.
That's great news for the tourism sector, right? Well, not really. Acting Public Health Inspector for St. James, Sharika Lewis, explains why persons should be concerned by reports that several hotels on the North Coast are fully booked for the Christmas and New Year's holidays.
Past knowledge and our experiences would indicate that these hotels tend to have a number of events at their property during this time.
Large gatherings such as parties are hotbeds for the spread of COVID-19. The public health official says she and her team have operations planned.
We will be going out in full force to ensure that all COVID-19 protocols and other public health protocols are attained and maintained at these hotel properties.
Turning to other health matters in the parish, in particular the dengue threat, the public health official called on residents to reduce the number of containers around their homes. In addition, the public health teams say they will be increasing their checks of meat on the market over the festive season. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.